What are the causes of noise when a hydraulic motor is working? There are several reasons why hydraulic motors make noise during operation. First, air enters the system due to poor sealing and air bubbles in the hydraulic system rupture inside the motor, resulting in noise. Second, the viscosity of the hydraulic oil is too high or too low, resulting in the motor running poorly and producing noise. Third, the hydraulic oil temperature is too high, resulting in a decline in oil viscosity. Lubrication effect deteriorates to produce noise. Fourth, the hydraulic system pressure is not stable, resulting in noise when the motor is running.